Good evening, my dear parishioners, and at the very beginning, a happy feast of St. Francis Xavier's to all of you. My last conversation with you was on the 28th of November this year. Regards to you from the parish fathers, Fathers Ralph, Sanjeev, Father Ilayaraja, Omar, and myself. I would like to repeat a few instructions. At the very outset, I would like to mention that it is advisable for children below the age of 10 and adults above the age of 65 to abstain from attending church services. While we have begun masses in the church, we are moving slowly. The Cardinal, in his message to the priests earlier, had mentioned that the civic authorities are allowing a maximum of 200 persons only for any particular service in the church. The attendance of larger numbers of more than 200 would mean that either we stop having masses in the church or we change our strategy from inviting all to attend to having community-wise masses, which would mean that all would not be able to come. While we attend masses in the church, we follow the norms of social distancing, wearing a mask at all times, and sanitizing ourselves. A few updates regarding the masses to follow. On the 6th of December, we will go ahead as planned. Masses will be at 7 a.m., 9 a.m., and 5:30 p.m. All these masses will be only in English. Now, from the 7th of December until we receive instructions from the Cardinal, the masses will be as follows. Weekday masses, morning 6:15 and 7:15. In the evening, masses will be at 7 p.m. Sunday masses, in the morning 6:30 a.m. Konkani Mass, 7:45 a.m. Marathi Mass, 9:15 and 10:30 in the morning English Masses. On Sunday evening, the Mass will be at 5:30 p.m. There will be a restriction on the choir singing, the choirs that are singing. That means 2 choir members and 1 person with instrument. I issue these instructions in consultation with my parish team of fathers and the Dean, Father Felix. The parish has planned the levelling of the ground, of the football ground. Tenders were issued and now we are hoping to start work on the ground next week. The work would include uprooting the grass that has grown and levelling the ground fully. With regard to the repairs to the path between the 2 gates and also to the niches, we have appealed to the Bishop House for permission and we are awaiting the same. Work will resume as soon as we get the permission from the Archbishop House. With regard to grave blessings, during the lockdown and the pandemic, the parish fathers would accompany the family for a month's mind prayer, month's mind blessing of the grave. Now that church services have resumed almost to normal, we would like to revert back to the old system where the families would collect the grave cards, collect the prayer cards and the sprinkler from the sacristy and pray at the grave. These instructions that I issue now will be in writing also and will be on the WhatsApp group which I will send to parish councillors and coordinators, and you will receive it. Hoping that you all stay safe, stay healthy. Very good. God bless you.